Hi you guys, I'm Jasmine and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do a review video on lipsticks, my top 5 pink, peachy and nude lipsticks. So they're all going to be in the pink family and I absolutely love all of these products and I use them on a daily basis. So I hope you guys like this video and let's jazz it up. One thing that I want to tell you guys before I start my review is that all the lipsticks are going to be in the pink family. Like they're either going to be pink or they're going to be nude, but in a shade of pink and even maybe peach. So I'm going to do a 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and I'm going to do from dark to a lighter shade. On number 5, I have a brand that I absolutely love. It's this stunning shade from Kaybeauty and it's called Promise. The packaging of this is really nice. If you see it, it might look like a gloss, but it's actually matte. And let me swatch it for y'all. So this, oh, I keep making this face and I don't know why I make it, but because the texture of this lipstick is so good. It's so smooth, it's so buttery, it's easily applicable. And when I put it on my lips, it looks so nice. It doesn't look chappy. When I apply it, it's very soft, very smooth, very buttery. It feels like you're applying a gloss, but actually a matte lipstick hai. And let me also swatch it at the back of my hand for you guys. So this is the color and this is how it looks. And they say it's transfer proof and it's completely dried. So let me see whether or not it's true. I mean, just look at this. It is absolutely transfer proof and it feels so nice. And this is my number 5. I have kept my wipes with me so that I can literally wipe everything off and give you guys an honest review of all the lipsticks. So on number 4 is a shade that I absolutely love. This one is from Charlottetilbury. It's called You're Perfect and it's priced at around 3480, available on Nykaa, and let me just swatch it for you guys. So this is how it looks. Like you can see, it's peachy, it's nude, and let me just swatch it on my lips. So the application honestly feels really smooth, और मुझे आदत है कि I put a lip liner, but when I put a lip liner and then I do a shade, तो shade थोड़ा सा बदल जाता है. So today while reviewing it, I really don't want to do a lip liner. So this is how it looks. Honestly, I think it would be better with the gloss. So let me try a sheer gloss. I think I like it better after a gloss. Also, it's really hydrating. So they say that this lipstick hides any pigmentation. Iska matlab ye hota hai if your lips are dark or if you have a cut or if you have a bruise. This one is perfect. Uh, I honestly really like this, but this would be more suitable for someone who's a bit on the fairer side. But this is like a really stunning shade of like peach and nude. So my number 4 is from Charlottetilbury. You're Perfect, available on Nykaa for 3450, and it's an amazing product. It's a little expensive, but worth the buy. Removing the lipstick so many times dehydrates your lips, so it's really important to not use a lot of product as well and keep sort of hydrating your lips with either Vaseline or any other lip oil or moisturizer that you guys use. So on number 3, I have Maybelline's vinyl ink lipsticks. They're for rupees 849, available on Tira, Nykaa, Shoppers Stop, anywhere. And I have 2 shades. So ye dono shades different skin tone ke liye hai. So I'm going to apply it so that you guys can see what I'm telling. The first shade that I'm going to apply is 65 Saucy. Let's see. The application is absolutely smooth. This looks like a gloss, but a matte finish hair. Uh, and like you guys can see, it is so nudie. It's so peachy. It's it's nudie, it's peachy, it's pink, and it looks really nice. It's really hydrating, it's long lasting, 16 hours tak rehta hai. Obviously you need to keep reapplying your lipstick because aap jitna khaoge piyoge, you'll work, like you obviously end up eating your lipstick. But I think this is like a really stunning shade. I think I swatched 65 Saucy for you, and let me just swatch it at the back of my hand for y'all. So this is how it looks. Like you guys can see, it's a little glossy, but it is matte. It's a beautiful shade of pink. So if you guys want a lipstick for an everyday use, which is pink, which is nice, which is long lasting, so this one, 65 Saucy by Maybelline, is the one. Now, just in case, if you want to sort of change your lipstick from a lighter nude shade to a dark shade, so this one 10 Lippy, same Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipstick, but in the shade 10 Lippy is really, really going to help you guys. And let me just swatch it for y'all. Look at this. Do you do you guys see the difference between that one and this one? Like, uh, how how pretty is this? So the difference between the two is that was a little lighter, so this is a little darker. So anyone who is a bit on the darker side, who has like a darker skin tone, this will look absolutely perfect. It will look nude, it will look pink, and it's just stunning on the lips. If you want to do like a party look, or you want to do a night look, but you want something that is nude, not very loud, so I think this lipstick is absolutely perfect. This one is 10 Lippy by Maybelline's Vinyl Ink Lipstick. On number two, I have this stunning lipstick and a stunning shade from Kiko Milano. It's, I think, 05 Light Mauve. It's for 1190, and this is a stunning shade. Let me swatch it for you guys. And again, the application is really smooth. If you see this, this is much more lighter. It's matte. It is more peachy, it is more nude. Also, it is cruelty free, it stays for a long time, and it does not dry your lips at all. So this is one lipstick that is extremely hydrating, and let me swatch it at the back of my hand so that you get a closer look of the product. So this is how the lipstick looks. Like you guys can see, sweet, pink, rosy, cute. I think it looks really nice for like a day-to-day look, something that's nude, peachy, and just perfect. Not a lot of people use Kiko, but I think Kiko Milano is a really, really good brand, and the products are also affordable, not very high end. On number one, I have a shade that is so underrated, a brand that not a lot of people have. I've not heard a lot of people use it, but it's from Colorbar, and it's in the shade 16 Striped, and it's a matte lipstick. Let me show you guys how stunning this shade is. I, I, I mean, just look at this. Just see the difference. It's so pretty, it's rosy, it's pink, it's such an English color, like, it's so oh, I love it. I mean, you guys, just look at this color. It's for 1300 from Colorbar. I think it's the perfect peach, the perfect nude, like for your everyday wear. It'll go amazing with formals. If you have like smoky eyes, and this lip will look just perfect. And let me just swatch it at the back of my hand as well. If you guys can see, it has these lips all over it. It's so beautiful. And just look at the shade. It's so stunning. Like, even if I just use it as a blush on my cheek, it just looks so pretty. Also, a couple of things that I want to tell about this lipstick. A, transfer proof, really hydrating. The application is smooth, it stays for a longer time, and I think this is definitely my number one. So this was the final video. I've given you top 5 shades which are my favorite, जो आप रात को पहन सकते हो, दिन में पहन सकते हो. It's like a variety of colors, though I know at the end of it all of it looks same, but these are the ones that I have tried on myself, and I really like them. Let me know in the comments if you all know any shades that I can use. Thank you for commenting, sharing, subscribing, liking. Thank you for staying till the end of the video. I love you guys, and see you all super soon.